So I've got a bit of a audacious goal really. I want to endeavour to do the whole north-south track in 2 nights 3 days. So that's something like about 85 kilometres. Doc would suggest that the north-south track from State Highway 29 through to Karangahake is 5 to 7 days. The reason that is there is I'm a little bit nervous about this trip, to be honest. That will give you the year that I was born. First numpty mistake for the day. One of the things that I'm going to try out today is this Aeropress Go. Hurunui hut. If you're looking for a really good campsite, I would highly recommend this. The highlights today would be the fact that I actually got to Poupou stream, and that's a pretty big day.